Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. Before I start talking about these interesting scenarios which are being flashed right now, looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I just want to quickly aware you about this 1000 USDT airdrop from Bybit. Yes, exclusively for crypto Anup users, 5 crypto Anup users will receive 200 USDT as an airdrop within this month. The campaign duration is 1 month, and to qualify for this campaign, you just have to follow these simple steps. Make sure you are signed up using my ref link, which is in the description down below, or are already signed up for a Bybit account on the affiliate 30687. Make a deposit of $100 within 7 days of joining the campaign. Trade minimum $100 on spot or simply 1000 on derivatives, which I think should not be a big problem to most of you. So press the join now button above before the end of the campaign period, and that's it guys. So if you are looking for free bucks, do grab this opportunity. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin using this broadening top formation, on my previous video I was very clear. Even if the price in the medium short term shows some retracement, do not panic. That could be just a temporary retracement before price again starts showing bullishness. And now if we look at the price action of Bitcoin, if we look at the area where we are, this is a very important area. Why? Because if we can flip this 32,000 resistance line into support, we will be starting another impulsive movement just like this one here from past price action. I mean, when we formed this broadening top, the first broadening top, when the price flipped the previous temporary resistance into support, after that we headed straight towards this 30,800, 30,500 range. And if you look at the price opportunity from the first broadening top, from the bottom till the top, this is exactly where we came, right? You can see this is exactly where we came, and after that started showing reversal. And now, since we are also approaching exactly at this top line, if we can flip this resistance into proper support, then I am actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue further here to the upside. And according to this second broadening top, the price opportunity from this bottom till the top is somewhere between 35,000 to 40,000 range. So that is another reason why 35 to 40,000 will be looked as our upcoming target if the price of Bitcoin here in a daily time frame flips this resistance around 31,000 to 32,000 into proper support. And now, even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean, yesterday I showed you guys with this broadening wedge, even if the price is going to show any sort of a retracement, it's going to be temporary, and after that we are going to form another continuation just like here from this past price action. So that is another reason guys, since the price right now is approaching this key line of resistance, please be careful. Please wait until the key line of resistance gets flipped into support before placing any long trade, because price is clearly showing range bound and also showing plenty of fake outs. So we don't want to get trapped in this kind of move. So what we want a proper breakout confirmation. Now, beside this broadening wedge, what you can also do is add this symmetrical triangle pattern. According to this symmetrical triangle pattern, the upper trend line here in the medium short term is acting as a line of resistance. This is exactly where we came. This is exactly where the price is facing some resistance. So in the medium short term, please be careful. Even if the price does shows any sort of a retracement, this retracement could be temporary. We could be showing fake out like this, but please do not panic, because I have been very clear. As long as the price hovers above 28,000, any sort of a retracement in the medium short term will be looked as a temporary retracement. And at the end, we are still expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue here to the upside, because it's not just only the symmetrical triangle, not just only this broadening wedge, even the falling channel or descending channel. According to the descending channel, the price is facing some resistance, which is very normal. This line, right, the upper line from the descending channel, the upper line from this symmetrical triangle rejected the price of Bitcoin a couple of times in the past price action. So this is exactly where we are also facing some resistance, which is very normal. So in the medium short term, if the price does break out from this upper trend line, then you can see according to this bull flag or descending channel breakout continuation pattern, we will be heading towards this 35 to 40,000 range for the upcoming days. And any sort of a retracement in the medium short term, as long as the price remains above 28,000, there is nothing to worry about, because we know around 28,000 we have some strong line of support lining for Bitcoin from this CPR indicator. And I'm sure you guys also want to find out what is our first target for this month of July according to this leading indicator. according to this leading indicator for the month of July, our first target is this monthly R1 line, which is sitting around $32,950. So even if the price of Bitcoin fails to get attracted towards 35-40,000 for this month, we should come at least around $32,950 before deciding the trend direction for the coming days. So that's why, guys, since the price of Bitcoin is above the CPI line, it is a very good sign. But what I still believe could be happening is some fake out. I mean, price faking out, showing another bigger retracement, and then slowly starting this new impulsive movement around this monthly R1 line. So even though the price of Bitcoin here in the medium short term is slowly turning bullish, please be careful. There might be shakeout, one more shakeout before we show another continuation here to the upside. And now, beside this in a smaller time frame, beside this in a daily time frame, let's look at this in a bigger time frame, because in a bigger time frame, the price of Bitcoin looks like it is preparing itself for this massive move, just like here, right? Just like here from this past price action, after breaking the resistance from this 21 weekly exponential moving average, after forming this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. Now, the price in our case could be also forming a very bullish move, which could bring us around 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, which is around 40,000, before showing another sign of weakness. I mean, after breaking out of this line, you can see the price of Bitcoin got attracted towards this 0.5 or between this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before showing another corrective movement. So in our case, this 0.5.61 line is also above 40,000. So that is another reason why we are saying, hey, between 35 to 40,000 is the line where we could be getting attracted before price again chooses a trend direction. So in a bigger frame, as you can see, even this 21 weekly exponential moving average has already been broken. So this is looked as a bullish continuation. Now, according to this inverse head and shoulder, according to this crypto Anup buy sell indicator, guys, this crypto Anup buy sell indicator flashed us this buy signal when the price of Bitcoin showed a move around 25,400, 25,500 range. And since then, we are clearly up around 23-24%. So if you want to get this indicator for free, please join our Telegram group. On the pin section above, you will find the source code for these indicators and many more. So do join there right now. So according to our indicators, the price of Bitcoin could show further continuation here for the upcoming days, upcoming months, and even according to this inverse head and shoulder, because you can see according to this inverse head and shoulder neckline, which was retested around 25,000, is now slowly turning bullish. And if this continuation is going to happen, right, if the price of Bitcoin is going to follow this inverse head and shoulder, the price opportunity for now is sitting somewhere around 33,800 to 34,000 range. So that's why, guys, in the medium short term, if we can manage to come across this 31,000, 32,000 range, the price of Bitcoin after that is considered to be turning bullish. So that's why we just need the price of Bitcoin to break 31, 32,000 and flip into proper support. And by doing that, you can see in a smaller time frame, in a bigger time frame, the price of Bitcoin for the upcoming days, weeks, even for a month is going to turn very, very bullish. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you like what you just saw, then please, guys, please destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.